How to record Zoom meeting on iPhone with audio. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you record Zoom meeting on iPhone with audio. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that iPhone have provided a built-in feature for recording your screen. Simply for that, you'll have to open Control Center, swipe down from the top right, and from here simply you can find the screen recording. After you find it, you can as usual turn on your microphone or you can turn off it. Simply you'll have to open Zoom app. From here, tap on meet or join. After you are in the meeting on Zoom, you'll have to turn on or record your screen by using the screen recorder on your iPhone. Simply tap on that and do a screen record. After that, you'll be able to record Zoom meeting on your iPhone with audio. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.